Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to fix action blocked on Instagram. So go for back and go for your Instagram. Click on your profile. Go for three-line option here. First of all, go for settings and privacy, and you need to first go for password and security, and you need to first change your password from here. You need to enter your current password and new password here, and you after that you can go for here change password. After that, go back and go for again three line option. Go for settings and privacy. Scroll down at the bottom and go for help. You have to screenshot that problem action block page and go for reported problem. Here you can shake your mobile and you can go for uh, this problem. Okay, and just go for here and include and continue and add your photo. You can add your photo from your gallery also. Then you have to describe your problem here and go for send. Here send. So that's the process. This is how you can fix your action blocked problem. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.